Hi, I'm Yuna. Welcome to your favorite recipe. Today, I'm going to show you how to really use naan in the most fun way possible. Well, it's one of the most fun ways, in my opinion. I got my naan bread as my leftover from an Indian dinner, and I was thinking about how do I utilize this. I looked at my cheese options in my fridge. You know what? We can make some cheesy bread or cheesy pizza out of naan. We got cheddar, Gruyère. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I never feel like I'm pronouncing that right, but you know what that cheese is. And then I got fontina. I preheated my oven, so it's telling me like, let's grate your cheese. Yes, I got my grater here. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on my arm like I always do. I am grating this. Oh my gosh, this is hard. It's like, so I am looking for about a cup, I would say, because half cup each is gonna go on this naan, and of course we're gonna mix it. So that looks good. And now on to the next cheese. So even if you can see it, I see it from the very top. It's filling up pretty quickly. So I got my cheese and my fontina. Good news is we're halfway done. All I need to do after this is butter the bread, put the cheese on top, done. So make sure. Oh, wow. Fun. So put the white cheese, half of this. I do like that it's all layered too, so that I can do half and half pretty much throughout the process as I go. And it's so colorful, look at that. So, okay, how does it look? I think we're in good shape. And then, I didn't forget about it. We don't need a lot of butter because I'm using richer cheese, and I'm just gonna use only about a tablespoon per bread. And once I have that, put it right in the middle. So in my other episode, I made this cilantro cream sauce, and I made Bombay flatbread. You can check that out pretty soon here. And I'm gonna just drizzle that, make pods of my cream sauce. But you know what? In fact, I'm gonna even tell you how to make this. It's a cup of heavy cream and a quarter cup of cilantro and salt and a garlic clove. That's it, literally. All right. Once we have that done, we're gonna put this in the oven. We're at 450, pretty hot. And bake there for about 5 minutes. I'm going to right now increase the heat to 500. I just realized it's already cooked bread, so all it needs is just like enough intense heat for a short amount of time to melt cheese and butter all together, and the bread's gonna be extra crispy at the end. Oh, we're gonna find out how it turned out. Oh my gosh, I was right. My gut feeling was on point. That looks so good. We have our cilantro here, and we are not done. So I'm gonna let this cool just a tad. And our last ingredient, well, second to the last, is our honey. So all I need to do is just drizzle on top at the very end, and then last thing is just garnish it with our fresh cilantro. So this is it. Pretty simple. You can take 2 minutes in making this, and that is not including the baking time. 2 minutes in making it, 2 minutes in the oven. In under 5 minutes, here we go. You got your lunch or snack ready. When you make this, let me know how it turns out. Find me on Instagram, and please, let's be friends. I am Yuna Cooks. So you can find me on Instagram at Yuna Cooks. And make sure you also hit the subscribe and hit the bell button for your weekly favorite recipe.